1. The equipment is heavy. Please handle it with care to avoid damage to the product or injury to the installer.
2. Falling equipment can cause serious or even fatal injury. 3. Never mount the energy storage system on the bracket. Performance show without load. Grid connections. Powered off the equipment. 1. Connect the DC breaker boxes. 2. Grid input. 3. Grid output. Remove the cover. Start to connect grid. Ground, yellow, green. L live wire, brown or black. N neutral wire, blue. Connect the grid output. Simply press the silver round switch on the front cover. Powered on black on/off switch, located on the bottom, to run the unit. Connect grid.